Welcome to Rio de Janeiro, one of the most vibrant and iconic cities in the world. Today, we will take you on an unforgettable journey to the top of the famous Christ the Redeemer, one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Get ready to discover the beauty and grandeur of this incredible attraction. There are several ways to reach Christ the Redeemer. If you're traveling by car, you can enjoy a scenic drive through the winding roads of Tijuca Forest. The curves and breathtaking views of Rio de Janeiro will surprise you at every turn. It's an opportunity to experience the lush nature of the world's largest urban park. In addition to the thrilling experience of reaching the top of Christ the Redeemer, the Visitor Center is a must-visit location during your trip. Located at the base of Corcovado Mountain, the Visitor Center offers stunning views and an opportunity to purchase unique souvenirs. Upon entering the Visitor Center, you will be greeted by a welcoming environment and an incredible panoramic view of Rio de Janeiro. The expansive windows allow you to appreciate the lush landscape even before ascending to the top. Moreover, the souvenir shop is a true paradise for souvenir lovers. There, you will find a wide variety of products that capture the essence of Christ the Redeemer and Rio de Janeiro. From t-shirts to keychains, from artwork to miniature replicas of Christ the Redeemer, there's something for every taste and budget. Whether it's for gifting friends and family or for a personal memento of this remarkable experience, the souvenir shop offers a carefully curated selection of items that will enchant you. Additionally, the Visitor Center also features clean and comfortable restrooms, as well as resting areas where you can relax before or after your visit to Christ the Redeemer. Therefore, make sure to set aside some time to explore the Visitor Center and the souvenir shop at Christ the Redeemer. Enjoy the stunning view, find special mementos, and savor a moment of tranquility before embarking on this unique experience. Another option is to use a tourist van, which provides a convenient and comfortable service. You will be driven by experienced drivers who know the routes and share interesting information about the city's history and culture during the journey. Upon reaching the top of Corcovado Mountain, a breathtaking view unfolds before your eyes. The majestic Christ the Redeemer stands tall, with its arms open in a welcoming gesture. It has become a symbol of the city and a reference for all of Brazil. As you walk towards the base of the statue, you can appreciate the magnitude of this architectural masterpiece. Standing at 38 meters tall, Christ the Redeemer stands out on the horizon, providing a spectacular panoramic view of the marvelous city. From up there, you can contemplate the splendor of Guanabara Bay, the stretch of iconic beaches such as Copacabana and Ipanema, the hills that frame the city, such as Sugarloaf Mountain and the Two Brothers Mountain, and the vastness of the Atlantic Ocean. It's a sight that will surely leave a lasting impression in your memory. But Christ the Redeemer is more than just a statue and a breathtaking view. It is a place of peace and reflection, where visitors from all over the world gather to admire the grandeur of nature and celebrate human diversity. It's a place that inspires respect, tolerance, and unity. So, don't miss the opportunity to visit Christ the Redeemer when you're in Rio de Janeiro. It's a unique experience that combines the beauty of the city with a deep cultural immersion. Christ the Redeemer is a symbol of love, hope, and welcome, and we are thrilled to share this journey with you. Hey there! Did you enjoy the tour? What other places in Brazil would you like to visit? What kind of places, beaches, nature, trails, city life, nightlife? Leave your comments below because we post a new video every week, and maybe your request can be fulfilled. Give us a like to motivate us to create more content showcasing beautiful places in Brazil. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to be notified of our next amazing video. Big hug and see you there.